Seeing the message "carrier calculated shipping not available" in Shopify can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to provide real-time shipping rates to your customers. When this feature stops working, customers may be unable to complete their orders or may see incorrect shipping costs at checkout. The good news is that this error is usually caused by a few common issues that can be fixed quickly. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix the carrier calculated shipping not available error in Shopify, even if you're completely new to the platform. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and go to Settings, then click Shipping and Delivery. Before troubleshooting anything else, make sure your Shopify plan actually supports carrier calculated shipping. Some Shopify plans include this feature by default, while others require an upgrade or an additional monthly fee. If your plan doesn't support carrier rates, Shopify won't be able to display live shipping prices. Next, review your carrier shipping service you're using, such as UPS, FedEx, DHL, or another provider. Make sure your carrier account is active, properly connected, and in good standing. Expired credentials, suspended accounts, or incorrect login details can prevent Shopify from retrieving shipping rates. Another common cause is missing product weights. Carrier calculated shipping relies heavily on package weight to determine shipping costs. Go to Products and open a few affected products. Scroll to the Shipping section and confirm that every physical product has an accurate weight assigned. Even a single product without weight information can sometimes cause problems. You should also verify your shipping origin address. Go to Settings, then Locations, and make sure the address for your fulfillment location is complete and accurate. Missing postal codes, incorrect country information, or invalid addresses may prevent carriers from calculating rates. Next, check your shipping zones. Go back to Shipping and Delivery and click Manage Rates. Ensure that the customer's shipping destination is included within one of your shipping zones. If a customer enters an address outside your configured zones, Shopify won't be able to retrieve carrier rates. If you're using third-party shipping apps, temporarily disable them and test checkout again. Some shipping apps can interfere with Shopify's native carrier calculated rates or override existing shipping settings. If the error started shortly after installing a new app, that app may be causing the issue. Another useful troubleshooting step is reconnecting the carrier service. Remove the existing carrier integration, save your changes, and then reconnect the carrier account. This often resolves temporary syncing or authentication problems between Shopify and the shipping provider. You should also perform a complete checkout test. Add products to your cart and proceed to checkout using different shipping addresses. Try multiple regions and postal codes to determine whether the issue affects all customers or only specific destinations. This information can help identify whether the problem is related to shipping zones, addresses, or carrier availability. If carrier rates still don't appear, check your internet connection and browser. Clear your browser cache, try an incognito window, or use a different browser entirely. Occasionally, cached data can prevent recent shipping changes from displaying correctly. Finally, if none of these solutions work, contact Shopify support and your carrier's support team. They can review account-specific errors and identify technical issues that aren't visible from your dashboard. So, to quickly recap, confirm your Shopify plan supports carrier calculated shipping, verify your carrier account, add accurate product weights, review shipping zones and location addresses, test without third-party apps, reconnect the carrier service, and thoroughly test checkout. In most cases, these steps will restore live shipping rates. I hope this tutorial helped you fix the carrier calculated shipping not available error in Shopify. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tutorials, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.